Okay, so we're just going to do a little unboxing here of the practice kits that new students get. So I'm going to open it up here. So first of all, you get this handy dandy practice guide with some steps. There's also a little bit of info on this side, just as a reminder of what you can use the different items in the bag for. So let's take a look. Now this is a newer addition to the practice kits. This is a little stretchy snake. And you're going to put that for the little ones right here. And this is called the snake pit. And so you keep your wrists up here and they're not getting down into the snake pit. A couple of highlighters. Those are fairly self-explanatory. You can use these to highlight dynamics or phrasing, whatever you want. Okay, this is a special little eraser here. It is a die. So what I use this for is I'll have students number sections in their music from 1 to 6, and then we roll the dice, and that's the section that they have to play. Now, also in the practice kit are these 3 little gems. So you can use 3 gems, or you can use just any 3 small objects. And so we keep them over at this side of the piano, and then after they play the section successfully one time, you move it to the other side of the piano. And so you do it 3 times, or however many times, and then you've practiced that section thoroughly. What else? Okay, these are kind of my favorite. All these little eyeball stickers. So if there's a spot in your music where you want to make sure that you look, or it's really important, you can just peel off whatever eyeball you want and stick it right where you need to be looking. Some sticky notes, so you can use these to mark your pages, or even like mark a measure if there's something specific that you need to remember for that measure. And of course, we need a pencil to use at the piano. So keep all of this stuff nearby, and you'll have a productive practice session.